How to update templates on Fandom. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can update templates on Fandom, and here is how to go about it. For you to update template on Fandom, it means that you have a template already. So what do you do first? The first thing to do is to move to where the templates are located. So you can decide to just go to any community and then search out templates, or you can go to your profile, which is located by the lower left corner of the screen. After clicking on view profile, we take it to the profiles page. So on this page, you can see some options such as explore, get started with Fandom, if you need help, what you would like to learn, and then around Fandom. Then move to the right side and click on the search box. So in this search box, you can just type out templates to bring out the templates that you have created, as well as the available templates on Fandom. So you can see the different kind of templates that are available, and most of the templates here are the help for template. That's easy if you need help for templates. All right, so just click on namespace. Yeah, so this is not what we are looking for. So at this rate, go back to Fandom. Okay, and then select another community, like an actual community this time around. Okay, so after selecting a community, move to the lower right corner of the screen again, and then click on my contributions. Now once you're on this page, you can now go ahead, move to the right side, click on the search box, and then type out templates. Now templates, and then click on search. Then move to the right side of the screen where you can see the templates wiki community. Then click on it, and then you'll be brought to the templates page. Okay, now on this page, you'll see all of the available templates here being displayed. So if you now want to update a template, just click on the template that you'd like to update. Now the reason we have to pass through this route is because I have not edited any templates before, but if you have, you would be able to locate the templates on your profiles page. So you just select it and then do whatever updating that you'd like to do to that particular template. So this is the user template that I have. Then you can go to the right side of the screen, click on edit source. Okay, and then you are brought to the templates page for editing. Then you can now go to the top right corner. Then here you can see visual editing as well as source editing. So you really want to select the one that you'd like to use. So in the source editor, the next thing to do is to simply select the template name. Like for example, now in template category, you can just edit this and change it to template name. This will automatically update the template and change its function to what you want to change it to. Then you can now go ahead to add other things that are necessary, other updating process. The is it only the name and other things you want to add? Just go ahead, type out the code, and then once you're done, click on create source, click on save, and then you take it to another page where you can now create your source and you are good to go. But this is how it works. This is how you can update templates on Fandom. You can try this out for other kind of template as well. Thanks for watching and have a good day.